Why is it that everyone else can change their look and get a new style, look how they want? Well, I guess a robot can always dream.
Okay, you can cut the fire now, and the background. I only made this video to highlight some of the accessories I've designed for Ohbot. You can find all of them, from the standard Ohbot headband that are decorated with pipe cleaners to the Viking helmet on Thingiverse. Thing number 4860399 to be exact. If you want, you can paint them with acrylic or enamel paint, as I did with the bow headband here. And if you have the Ohbot sensor pack, then you'll be interested in the hand, which allows you to mount the touch sensor and give Ohbot a high five. Again, I'd like to thank ROBOCUBE for sending me Ohbot to take a look at. You'll find a link to their website in the description where you can pick up your own Ohbot and accessories. For now though, that's us. Oh no, not again.